Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, MS Word has a feature that allows the user to present information in a tabular form. This is a useful and effective way of organizing and representing data. A table consists of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns is called a cell. So today we are going to discuss how we can create a table in MS Word. So let's start. First of all, go to Insert. Click on it. Now you have to go to Table option for adding a table in your document. It will show you a grid of this rows and columns. From the box, you have to select how many rows and columns you want to enter, like this. After selecting this grid, or selecting the number of rows and columns you want in your table, click on the last square like this. In this way, this table will be created. Now in this table, we will add the data. Here on the top, we will write headings like name, class, age, city, here we will write address, and here contact number. So students, like this on the top, you have to write the headings. After that, you have to enter data in your table like this. In the names column, you have to enter all the students' name. After entering all the names, here you have to enter the name and class name. After entering here the class of each student, here you have to enter their age. After entering here the age of student, you have to tell the name of city. After entering this, you have to tell the address, like this. As I am entering here. Here you have to enter addresses. After entering here addresses, Then in the last column, you have to enter contact number. In this way, you have to enter here contact numbers of each student. After entering the data in this table, now I will tell you how you have to apply other commands. Suppose you want to show the data in highlighted form. Bring your mouse pointer here in the left corner, left click. Here you have to select B. B stands for bold when you want to make your text bold. After that, this is center alignment tool. Click on it. In this way, headings will be aligned in the center. Now choose font color from here. Whichever the color you want to select from here, you may select like this, and you can see the change on your document that headings have been highlighted now in red color. Same way, if you want to change the font color in the rest of the rows, first bring the mouse pointer like this, press left mouse button and select the text. After that, select the color, text color, or you can say font color from here. After choosing the font color with the help of mouse, you can change the font color like this. If you want to highlight this text, so again you will select the text with the help of your mouse. This is text alignment color. Click on it, choose the color in which you want to highlight the text. I have selected yellow one. So in this way, text, it will be highlighted as we do with the highlighter. In the same way, it will be highlighted in the table. Now I will tell you, if you want to insert a new row in the table, how can you insert a new row? First, bring the pointer where you want to insert the row. After that, you have to right click here. Once you will right click, you will get this menu. In this menu, go to insert option. If you want to insert a row below, then you will choose this option, insert rows below. Click on it. So where you have placed your cursor, a new row, it will be inserted like this. But if by mistake you have inserted this row here, you want to delete this, again right click, then choose delete cells option, and it will be displayed like this. Here are delete cell dialog box. In this box, you are finding four options are there. Suppose you want to delete this entire row, then you will be selecting third option, delete entire row. After that, click on OK button. So in this way, the row which you have already inserted in it, that has been deleted by selecting delete rows option. Now I am telling you how can you insert a new column. Bring the cursor here, right click here, go to insert option, select insert column to the right. So in this way, a new cell it will be inserted in your table. So students, today you have learned how can you insert a table in the MS Word, how can you insert a new row and a new column in the table in the Microsoft Office Word document. And I have also explained you how can you change the font color of your table text. How can you highlight the text in the table? So for today, only this much. I hope you have learned all the steps properly. That's all for today. Thank you so much.